Hello everyone, today we are going to do a simple egg experiment that can be done within the classroom to show children the bad effects of junk food in our teeth that are easily available to do this experiment. Let us see how to do the experiment.
So for this experiment we need some simple items, eggs, food color, and water. So let us start the experiment. First I am going to pour some water in both the glasses. Then the eggs to be placed slowly. Then I will add food color. I'll stir this little bit so that the eggs can be covered with the red color. After this, leave this for few minutes and then we can have for this few minutes conversation with kids based on how can this junk foods affect our teeth, enamel and cause different teeth problem. Now I am going to take the egg out of the glass slowly and then show kids that how the egg has changed its color from white to pink. So what to do? We should brush and see. Here's a toothbrush, toothpaste, and I am going to brush the egg. And again wash it. So as you can see, this little part I have brushed and it is again white in color. So even if you are eating junk food, we should brush our teeth to keep it nice and strong. Thank you.